You know, it's funny. My adopted dad, he drove a trash truck. And when I wanted to motivate my kids, I would say, hey, if you don't work hard, you don't go to school, you're going to end up driving a trash truck. Because my adopted dad had a 9th grade education. And there aren't a lot of opportunities, I didn't think, for somebody with a 9th grade education. But I realized later that education, formal education, has nothing to do with building wealth and success, because actually you're taught all the wrong things. So what I would say to my kids is, you got to work hard in school. Well, one of my kids, school just didn't come that easy to them. And so they came to me and they said, Dad, I guess I'm just going to drive the trash truck. And they were so dejected. But I said to them, no, if you're going to be in the trash business, we're going to own the trash business. And guess what? Guess what we own? We own a trash business today. Do they work in it? No, but we own a trash business. We're not driving the truck. We own the business. You want to learn how to own businesses? You want to learn how to be your own banker? Then go to community.createtailwind.com or just search Create Tailwind in your app store. Come join our community. I'll see you inside.